Dema, Dema, Dema.
Satnam Yogi friends, this is Jode with Urban Yoga Chicago. Welcome back to this week's Urban Practice and welcome back to another pranayama meditation. And this particular meditation is called the 16-stroke breath to rebuild health. And it said that practicing this can help to detoxify and also help to rebuild your glandular system. So I don't know about you, but the holidays are times where I feel like, okay, maybe I've had a little too much sweets or a little too much carbs, not enough vegetables, and I'm needing to kind of reset and recharge. And I think that this type of meditation is really nice for that. So if you are perhaps starting a detox or a cleanse or just cleaning up your diet a bit, this can be a nice meditation to practice alongside that. When we're talking about a 16-stroke breath, we are talking about 16 sniffs on the inhale and 16 on the exhale. If you imagine this one chamber, instead of inhaling and filling it up, you're dividing that up into 16 little compartments and sniffing so that by the time you inhale that 16th breath, you've reached a complete inhale. Same thing on the exhale. By the time you've sniffed out that 16th time, you've exhaled completely. One of the ways that you can count this is to use the mantra Satanama and mentally vibrate that. So that's 4 times, Satanama, and you'll just repeat that mantra a total of 4 times, and you'll have 16 sniffs in, and then again on the exhale, 16 times. The mudra for this is very simple. Your hands are interlaced, the thumbs are next to each other, and your elbows are rested down at the sides. The thumbs are right, or the hands are right in front of the chest. Eyes are closed. It's recommended to start this for 3 to 5 minutes, and you can build this up to 31 minutes a day. We're going to practice this for 3 minutes today. So let's begin with tuning in. Bring your palms together at the heart center in prayer mudra, pressing the palms into each other and the thumbs into your sternum. Spine is nice and tall. Eyes are rolled up to your third eye. Inhale deeply. Exhale. And inhale to tune in. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. All right, I'll set my timer, and as you go through this with the breath, the inhale and the exhale are rapid. So it's 6 seconds approximately for the inhale and 6 seconds for the exhale. All right, and bring your hands into the mudra. Thumbs are next to each other, not crossed, in front of the heart center. Close your eyes and begin. Be sure to press all the air out on the exhale. It will allow you to get your complete breath on the inhale. Inhale. Exhale. And relax your hands down. And I have to say, I personally really like segmented breath, especially when I'm having a hard time accessing a full, complete breath. I find that breaking my breath out into the segments helps me to somehow access that full breath, that nice full breath. And I don't know what the science is behind that, if that works for you too, but I found that that works, whether I'm sitting at my desk at work or even when I'm running and I'm having a hard time catching my breath when I'm running hard. I'll take a pause and I'll do some segmented breathing, and I find that just with a couple of cycles, I'm able to tap right into a nice, full, complete breath. So thank you for joining me today for this week's urban practice and for this breath to rebuild health and help detoxify. And we'll be back next week with another meditation to practice. As always, please subscribe. If you have any questions or comments, leave those below. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And we will see you next week. Sat Nam, yogi friends.